up, level 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 up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. No, you want this yummy, yummy, all
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided on doing a ponytail for you guys, and I purchased this ponytail from samsbeauty.com. It's not sponsored. I said I purchased, okay? Anyway, I purchased 3 ponytails, but this one right here is the pineapple, and it's from Outre. It has like a little bang with a ponytail all in one. So yeah, I will show you the ponytail in a minute, but I will show you like how it has like a clip in the front, like to clip down in your hair, and the ponytail and drawstring, all that is all one piece, okay? So that's what it looks like when you get it, like some uniform ugly curls, like but I know it had potential, so I fluffed that joker out really good. Took that comb and just fluff. And I did a lot before the video, so it won't be so long, but yeah. Anyway, just go ahead and keep watching. The video is basically self-explanatory, and I'll see you guys in the next one, okay? Be sure to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified, and leave any comment that you like. And if you have any requests for any type of ponytails you want to see me do, or units, or whatever the case may be, go ahead and drop me a line below and let me know if you have tried this ponytail or one similar to this one, and let me know. I might need to purchase that one too, okay? So I'll see you guys later. Love you guys. Peace, love, and blessings. Bye.